Nah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone, wherever and wherever you are watching this. Today we we will presentation about the impact of marine pollution on coastal ecosystem. This presentation is presented by me, of course, Kevin Ariananta Rahman, Dianesia Azrawi, and Samratul Puada. Without further ado, let's begin our presentation. Next. Every year, between 19 and 23 million tons of plastic enter our ocean, mostly from land-based activities. It is important to emphasize that this massive influx poses a serious threat to marine life and coastal ecosystem. As a result, ecosystem degrade, biodiversity decline, and millions of people who depend on coastal environment face threat to their livelihood. Next, moving on to plastic pollution. Uh, this type of pollution is one of the most dangerous threat to marine biodiversity. At least 267 marine species, including 86% of all sea turtle species and 44% of seabird species, uh, ingest plastic or become entangled in it, which often leads to injury or death. Additionally, plastic breaks down into microplastics that absorb harmful toxin and enter food chain, affecting not only marine organisms but also humans. Next, another issue is ghost gear, which refer to abandoned or lost fishing equipment. This equipment continues to trap and kill marine organisms silently over time. Therefore, ghost gear is often called a silent killer of marine life. Next.
Okay, next, chemical pollution and harmful algae blooms. Agricultural runoff is a major contributor to marine chemical pollution, introducing excessive amount of nitrogen and phosphorus into coastal waters. These nutrients act as a catalyst for the rapid proliferation of toxic algae bloom. Uh, One ecological disruption, algae bloom deplete oxygen level in the water, creating dead zones that suffocate marine life. They also produce toxins that poison fish, shellfish, and other marine organisms. To economic devastation, the impact extends to human activity, damaging fisheries and causing significant losses in the tourist industry due to foul beaches and contaminated waters. 3. Persistent contaminant. Beyond agricultural runoff, coastal water are increasingly contaminated with persistent organic pollution like pesticides and heavy metals, further undermining ecosystem resilience and compromising seafood safety. Next, economy and social impact on coastal community. 1. Increased government costs. Local governments face escalating expenditures for beach cleanups, public health initiatives, and comprehensive waste management program. diverting crucial resources from other essential services. 2. Fisheries collapse. Fishing industry are hit hard by reduced fish stock and widespread seafood contamination, directly threatening food security for millions and decimating traditional livelihoods. 3. Tourist decline. Polluted beaches and unsafe waters deter tourists, leading to a sharp decline in visitor numbers and significant economic setbacks for coastal community reliant on tourist revenue. Next.
The cause of neglect, economic losses, and environmental damage. The invisible threat, microplastic and food chain contamination. Microplastic, tiny plastic fragment less than 5 milliliters in size, represent an insidious threat to marine ecosystem and human health. Once ingested by organisms at the base of the food chain, such as plankton, fish, and shellfish, these microplastic become vectors for harmful toxins. 1. Trophic transfer. Toxins absorbed by microplastic are transferred up the food chain as large predators consume contaminated prey. This bioaccumulation leads to higher concentration of pollutants in organisms at higher trophic levels. 2. Widespread contamination. Studies have revealed alarming statistics, with 35% of fish samples in the Pacific Gyre containing plastic fragments, highlighting the pervasive nature of this contamination. 3. Human health risks. As contaminated seafood makes its way into human diets worldwide, the potential risks to human health increase, emphasizing the urgent need for action. Global and regional effort to combat marine pollution. UNEP's Global Program of Action. This program provides a framework for nations to develop strategies and implement measures to reduce land-based marine pollution, fostering international cooperation. Regional SIS programmers. This initiative facilitates scientific monitoring, data sharing, and coordinate action among countries to protect and manage their marine and coastal environments effectively. Innovation and awareness. Advancements in clean-up technologies, progressive policy reforms, and widespread public awareness campaigns are pivotal in driving sustainable change and mitigation efforts. Protecting our coastal ecosystem. A call to action. Marine pollution poses a multifaceted threat, endangering biodiversity, human health, and economics. Addressing this crisis demands urgent and coordinated global action. 1. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Embrace sustainable practice by significantly reducing plastic consumption, improving waste management infrastructure, and enhancing recycling effort to prevent waste from reaching our oceans. 2. Support sustainable agriculture. Promote and adopt sustainable agricultural practice that minimize nutrient runoff, thereby preventing harmful algal blooms and protecting coastal water quality. 3. Collective safeguarding. By working together, governments, industries, communities, and individuals, we can safeguard the health of our ocean and coastal communities for current and future generations.
That's bring us to the end of our presentation. Let me sum up for you. Marine pollution poses a serious threat to coastal ecosystem, human health, and economic sustainability. Therefore, urgent and coordinated action are needed to protect our ocean for present and future generation. Uh, in this presentation, we realize we may still have limitation. We sincerely apologize for any shortcoming. Thank you for your attention and thank you for watching this presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye-bye. See you.
Bye-bye. See you.
Next time. Mwah.